Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. From a jar of wine containing 32 liters, 4 liters is drawn out and the jar is filled up with water. And the same proportion of wine is further drawn out 2 more times. Okay. So in these types of questions, if you are not comfortable or facing problem visualizing what is happening, I'll say put all the components in form of table. So here we have wine, we have water, 2 components, and then we have, let's say, total. Okay. So in this question we are taking wine and replacing with water, so total will always gonna same, but in some question you may see something is added and total is changing, so better to put a total column as well. For this question we'll ignore it. So initially the jar was having 32 liters of wine and 0 liters of water. Okay. And then 4 liters of wine is taken out. So minus 4. And it's replaced with water. So we can say plus 4 here in the water. Okay. So what we have now, 28 liters of wine and 4 liters of water. And if the same proportion of wine is further drawn out 2 more times, what proportion of wine to water will be there? Okay, so one clarification here. Question seems a bit ambiguous. It is not given that 2 more times we are just taking water or we are also taking wine or we are also replacing it with water. So that is not given. But looking at the option seems like if you don't consider replacing wine with water in 2 more attempts, we won't get the answer. So assuming water is getting replaced with wine. Okay. So now second time same proportion of wine is again taken out. So here if you see wine was 32 liters and we are taking minus 4. So it is 1 by 8th, right? So uh, 32 into 1 by 8th is 4 liter. So in same proportion again next time we are taking wine. So now we have wine as 28. So 28 1 by 8. Okay. So this will be 3.5. So in second time we are taking 3.5 liters wine out. So here 3.5 liters of wine we are taking and water is getting added 3.5. Okay, so the resultant mixture now is 28 minus 3.5 is 24.5 liters of wine and 4 plus 3 7.5 liters of water we have. And this is done 1 more time. So now we have 24.5 into 1 by 8th of wine is again taken out. Okay, so this is 3065. Okay, so now this time we are taking minus 3.0625. I'm sorry, here it will be 25. Okay, and this much amount is getting added to the water. So here we have 3.0625. So now the final state, in the final state, the amount of wine that we have is 21.4375 and the amount of water that we have is 10.5625. Okay, so this is the final amount of wine and water. So now we need to find out the ratio of wine to water. So wine to water is clearly 21.4375 by 10.5625. Okay, so now we can ignore the decimal because both are at same point. And then it seems like it's divisible by 5 and 25 as well. So we can divide it further. So if we divide it, we'll get 25, 8, 200, 14, 143, 5 125, 7, 5 by 4, 2, 2, 5. Okay, and again we can divide it by 25. So this is 25, 3 is 75, 4, 3 by 25, 1 is 25, 6, 9. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.